Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Hugging Face datasets for scalable model training, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Hugging Face datasets for scalable model training, start by installing the necessary libraries. Open your terminal or command prompt. Type in the command to install the Hugging Face datasets library using pip. Once the library is installed, launch your preferred Python editor. Import the datasets library at the beginning of your code. Next, choose a dataset from the Hugging Face datasets hub. To do this, use the load_dataset function and specify the dataset name. You can also include additional parameters if needed, such as a specific configuration or split. With the dataset loaded, explore its structure by printing the first few rows. Examine the features and labels to understand the data you'll be working with. Now it's time to pre-process the dataset for model training. Define any necessary pre-processing functions to clean and format the data. Apply these functions using the map method, ensuring the changes are reflected throughout the dataset. Next, consider splitting the dataset into training, validation, and test sets. Use the train_test_split function for this purpose. Make sure to set a random seed for reproducibility. After splitting, it's essential to cache the datasets for efficient retrieval. Utilize the save_to_disk method to store your processed datasets. You can load the cached datasets later using the load_from_disk function. Once your datasets are ready, proceed to set up your model framework. Choose a deep learning library that supports Hugging Face models, such as PyTorch or TensorFlow. Load your model architecture using Hugging Face's Transformers library. Ensure to configure the model according to your specific task, such as text classification or language generation. Prepare your training script, making sure to include the necessary settings for hyperparameters and training loops. Begin the training process by fitting your model on the training dataset while validating on the validation set. Monitor performance metrics throughout the training to evaluate model improvement. After training, run your model on the test dataset to assess its generalization. Finally, save the trained model for future use or deployment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.